Hi everyone and welcome back to How Lovely. Today I'm going to show you how to easily make shrimp sushis. Let's start with the ingredients. You will need half of a cucumber, so I removed the seeds and cut into strips. Same for carrots, so you need 3 carrots, 20 shrimps, an avocado, 50 grams of bean sprouts or germe de soja, 350 grams of rice, white rice, nori sushi, so the nori leaves, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of parsley, 3 cut it into small pieces spring onions. For the rice you need 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt, sesame seeds, and 2 teaspoons of white vinegar, and some mayonnaise. We are going to start by cooking the shrimps. So start by heating your pan and some olive oil. Then add the garlic, the parsley, the shrimps, frozen shrimps. You don't need to defrost them. The spices, the salt, the paprika, and the turmeric. And then mix everything. You don't need to add water because the shrimps are already frozen. In the meantime, we're going to cook the rice, so pour the rice into another pan and cover with water. You would probably need to add some water after because we will need a sticky rice. When the shrimps are pink, like you see in the video, you can see that they are cooked. And you can remove them from the pan. You can now decorticate or peel the shrimps and cut them into small squares. The rice, so when you have this texture, so it must be sticky but not too sticky, but like in the video. So for the rice, you need to add the salt and the sugar to the white vinegar, or you can just buy rice vinegar, but I don't buy it because I don't make sushis too often, so I don't want to buy a bottle every time. So you add this to your rice and mix everything. So the saltiness and the sweetness that you combine with the vinegar, it's the taste of the rice vinegar. So now we're going to assemble our sushi. Start by, you can see in the video, like you have 2 sides. You need to put the shiny side on the table. Start by humidifying your hands because the rice is very sticky. And create a small like rice / surface on your nori leaves. Now you can add your mayonnaise. The sesame seeds. You can also use chia seeds if you want. Then the cucumber, and basically like these are the most known ingredients for sushis, but you can remove or you can add other things, like you can replace the shrimps by salmon, or you can remove the avocado if you don't like avocado. So and try to put all your ingredients on the side of your sushi roll, sushi nori leaf, so it's easier to roll it after. So I use a plastic wrap. I don't have the proper instruments to make sushi, but the result, let's say, it's the most important. So here I don't tie it too much, don't press it too much because you will crack the nori leaves like me. Then you can put some water to seal the roll and set it aside. So here I'm going to show you another variant. So I decided to make so it's kind of a California roll, but with shrimps. So you need to put the rice on the side. So it's half of a nori leaf. It's not a whole nori leaf. So as you saw, put the rice, then the sesame seed. Then on the other side of the nori leaf, you need to add your ingredients, but this time don't put too much ingredients because since we have only half of a nori leaf, you need to be able to seal it. So don't put too much ingredients. Try to make every time like a strip of ingredients. And again, when you finished, you only have to fold it, but this time you don't have to seal it with water. I like to use plastic wrap because it's easier for me, but you can use a bamboo sushi roller. So now we're going to cut our sushis. So start by humidifying your knife because of the sticky rice. So you can see the insides. It's so tasty, like really tasty. And try to rinse your knife every time you need to cut because it's very sticky. So the size of your sushi will depend on you. You can make small sushis or big sushi. I like big sushis, but you can decide which size you prefer. So I cut them into half, and then I cut the sushi so I have like an even amount of sushis, and they have the similar size. So that's it. Believe me, they are so easy to make. Like the only thing that takes time is the rice and maybe the shrimps. But if you use salmon, you don't have to cook the shrimps, so it's only the rice. You really need to try them. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram. Hope you liked this video. Bye bye.